Hello everyone. In this video, let's continue to learn how to code expert advisors. We have coded a very simple Hello World expert advisor in our previous video. In this video, we will learn how to use some very important APIs. By using these APIs, we can open a chart automatically. And we will learn how to set up the parameters. Exciting, right? Let's start learning. First of all, we need to add one parameter into the system. The type is string. And you may have noticed the setup of the parameters are similar to set up the parameters for indicator line. Yes, it's true. They are almost the same. The difference is we added step property. And when we create a trading strategy and we need to backtest it, we need to optimize the parameters to make it profitable. So when we optimize our algorithm, we will use two properties. One is the range property. The other one is the step property. So these two properties will be used when we optimize our algorithm. And because in our current example, the type of the parameter is string, and the string cannot be optimized. So we will skip to discuss about how to use the range property and the step property. We will discuss them in our next videos. Okay? Let's continue to learn how to use some very important APIs. The most important API in this video is getChartHandle. Please remember, getChartHandle will return the handle of a chart. There is a very important rule here. If the chart doesn't exist, and this API will help us to create one and then return the handle of the new chart. If the chart has existed, then calling this function will return the handle of the chart. Okay? And we will store the return value to this variable. So don't forget to release the variable when we stop running this EA. Okay? And Fintechee supports multiple accounts management. So we need two very important parameters. One is broker name, and the other one is account ID. Both of them make the system identify which account we are using, because maybe we have signed into two accounts. So we need to make the system know we will sending order by using which account. So we need to import broker name and account ID to make the system know this kind of information. Okay? And how to get broker name and account ID? We need to use getAccount API. And because maybe we have logged in into two accounts. So one will be indexed by 0 and the other one will be indexed by 1. So we need to pass this parameter to make the system know which account's information we want to get. And in our current example, we will get the first account's information. So we pass 0 to this API. Okay? And after we get the object of the account information, we will pass this object to this API and this API. This API will return the broker name and this API will return the account ID. So now we get both of the information and we can set up the two parameters. And how to get symbol name, and we have added a parameter to our expert advisor, so we will get this information here by using this API. Okay, so we pass symbol name as the parameter's value and then get symbol name's information. And we will specify the time frame, and we will use M1 as the time frame. Okay, so coding is done. So let's see how it works. Let's run it. Okay, the EA has been created, and then we just need to run it. Open a chart, it's there. Okay, click the play icon and run it. It's done. It's done. Nothing happened, right? Because we have opened this chart. So just now I have said, and if the chart has existed, and the API will return the handle of the chart, and it will not create a new one because it has existed. Okay, so it's correct. And let's remove it and run it again to see what will happen. Okay, see, a new chart will be created. Just now we removed it, so the chart doesn't exist. So when we run that EA will create a new chart for us automatically. Alright, so now we have learned how to create a chart automatically. Hopefully it can be helpful to your trading. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.